recording. We're recording. So, I know, this is a different setting. This is my living room. This is not my bedroom. I just finished a stream and my room is super hot. I am not gonna record a video over there because I'm gonna be sweating the entire time recording it. So bear with me on this one. No RGB on the background. So this is me just making a video for YouTube, and yeah, roll the intro. So I think my camera is like chopping half of my head. So I'm gonna go over here. Is that good? Hope it's good. But yeah, Prime Day. It was a couple days ago, and I bought a couple things. It's not a lot, so don't be here expecting Go XLRs, Stream Decks, monitors, 240 monitors, the standing desk. A lot of things that are expensive and that are not gonna make my content or anything that I do better. So this is not one of those videos. This is a video about me just unboxing a couple products, and this is why it is chopping my head. I wanted to make it like a table setup, and this is the closest thing I have to a table. So yeah, I'm gonna do this sitting down on the floor because I am not gonna record a whole video bent down like this. So let's start with the little one, and I don't have a knife. So another second, let me go get a knife. So I got a couple knives. So we have the little one, it's like bent. We have the ones that they give you like in restaurants, you know, for your steak or stuff. The big boy. Well, this is not the big boy. This is the big boy. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that. This is way too much. I think the little one can do the job. Let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let's start with this one, like the small, like, so this is basically another SD card for my camera because like I have been running out of space every time I'm recording a video. So with this, now I'm gonna be able to have like an SD card, the one I'm currently using for my camera for photos or pictures, and this one I'm gonna be able to use it for just video. That way I can use one for just whenever I'm gonna record a video, and the other one whenever I'm gonna take picture for a thumbnail, a picture for myself. Saved 50 bucks on this one. It's like $100 and I saved 38 bucks, so good deal. And the second thing I bought an RGB strip because nobody wants to send me one, so I need to buy my own. So yeah, this is the Govee RGB IC LED strip light, long name. Yeah, I bought these because I don't have enough lights in my room. No, I'm kidding. This has a purpose that I can't still tell you guys because it's something that I'm planning and I don't want to spoil it for anybody, but this is gonna come in handy when whatever's gonna happen happens. So subscribe for that and hit the bell. And no, wait, hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video, please, and thank you. Moving on. So I think for the first box, it didn't have a lot of things. Yeah, I don't have a lot of money, so I can't spend like, you know, $1,000 on an unboxing video. Anybody wants to send me something? I don't have a PO box, but get creative. You can send me something, and I don't know how I'm gonna receive it, but I can't make a video unboxing like, you know, $1,000 of tech or stuff. So subscribe again, thank you. But yeah, second box. I really need to practice my knife skills. Ooh. Oh wait, only one thing in this box? So this box has 3 things. The first 2 are small things, but the third one is a big thing. So let's start with this little guy over here. So this little guy over here is a USB flash drive. Nothing too special about it. Okay, another thing that I bought. Oh, I didn't save anything on this one. I just bought it because I wanted to buy it. No special on this. On the LED strip, I saved like 15 bucks, something like that. So pretty good deal, I guess. The next thing, these how do you say this? Covers for a smartwatch. Can you see that? Focus on this. Focus. Oh my god, focus. There you go. Focus. Thank you. That's like a cover for a smartwatch. So yeah, I bought a smartwatch and I saved like $100 on that one, but unfortunately it didn't get on the boxes. I'm gonna receive it on July 9th, so review about it if you want to know anything about it. Yeah, Galaxy Active 2 smartwatch coming soon. So they're already like teasing the Active 4, the Galaxy Watch Active 4, and I'm gonna do a review if you guys want on the Active 2, so pretty late. But still, content. So the third thing, I bought some shoes. So these, I bought them because I have been exercising. Yeah, I know, I'm packing, but I have been exercising. I have been working out for the past like 2, 3, 4 weeks, a month and a half, something like that. So I have been looking for some exercise shoes, and I found these shoes in a special on the Prime Day that they were from $99. They dropped it to $51, so like $40 of savings, and they're pretty good. Like, they look pretty good, and now in person they look but yeah, running shoes, saved like $40 on them. They're new, they're not renewed or anything, so pretty good deal. And as I said, I bought these because I have been working out. So if you want to know more about that, I'm actually gonna make a Discord channel about working out. So if you work out, or if you want to share your workouts with the community, join the Discord. I'm gonna leave the links in the description, so that if you or anybody that you know wants to join, so that they can share their fitness, track their fitness, share the stories, or whatever they want to share, they can do so. So yeah, workouts, fitness, healthy life. What am I saying? So I think that's everything that I bought. So yeah, I saved like $150 in all these. So yeah, this is my Prime Day unboxing video. So if you wanna see me do unboxings, I don't know, on Black Friday unboxing, Prime Day unboxing, I don't know, any other unboxing like special that I can save some money because I'm poor. Yeah, I can do any of those, just to switch up things a little bit and share things that you could have bought and saved a little bit of money, or so that you know what I bought and saved a little bit of money. So yeah, subscribe, hit the bell, like the video, follow me on Twitch maybe, and yeah, see you on my next video. Wait. Can the game start?